To write a book, first think of an idea that you're excited to write about. It could be anything: a memoir about your life, a fantasy tale, or if you're an expert on a topic, a nonfiction book. Once you've come up with an idea, you'll want to cultivate good writing habits to bring your book to life. First, make writing into a routine rather than an activity you need to fit into your busy schedule. Try to consistently write at the same time and place every day. Second, set a daily word or page goal so that you know exactly when you are finished writing each day. Last, don't feel pressured to create a perfect first draft because it's much easier to edit perfectly than it is to write it perfectly the first time around. Focus on producing and writing as much as you can. Then go back and spend time editing on another day. Once you have written and edited a draft that you like, seek feedback from your family, peers, or mentors. If you want to self-publish, research how to do so online. You could also consider hiring an editor to help you through both editing and the publishing process.